Hi, welcome to Bigz TV. I'm back. I'm Bigz with a new and improved vegan banana pudding recipe. You may have seen my last video was just a normal vegan banana pudding. Well, this one is Oreo. It's new and improved and it's awesome. Okay, so what we have here is you could choose as many Oreos as you would like. You could take the icing off if you choose to. I choose to leave the icing on one side, and this side has no icing, so this will be my top layer. This will be my middle layer. I slice my bananas. I'm gonna wait until I'm ready to use the pudding before I make the pudding. Okay, this is vanilla flavored, artificial flavored Jello pudding. This one is vegan. And here are the ingredients, as you can see. So all of their products aren't vegan, so make sure you read the ingredients. And you're gonna mix this pudding with plant milk. I use planted oat, vanilla flavored. You can use plain, whatever flavor you choose, but I choose vanilla. I want everything vanilla and Oreo and banana. This is Oreo pie crust, and it is vegan. Maybe accidentally vegan. So this is actually my first time trying the Oreo crust. I know I'm gonna love it. So guys, stay tuned and I'm gonna walk you right through this. Normally, I just peel all my bananas that I think I'm gonna need. Sometimes I have too many. You're welcome to use your bananas to your likeness. I like mine a little overripe. Very, very ripe. And I'm using 6 today. If any of you have never seen this technique before, it's okay. Sometimes I just do my own thing. So when they're very ripe, they're easy to cut. So you can just slice right through. Wasn't that quick? Oh, wow. So you just empty your packets. Two is a lot, but you know, I'm a little heavy on when I'm doing stuff. I always add a little extra. So a lot of times I need to add a lot because I need it runnier, like this, good and runny. And then I just add my bananas to my pudding. So that saves me another step later. So I add all of these in there like this. Well, then I always think I got too much, but you know, it's all going in there this time. 6 bananas. I'm probably gonna have some left over, but it's okay. That's how I want it, right there. Perfect, perfect. This pudding is starting to set already. So my first layer, I'm just gonna put bananas and pudding. I don't want to put too much, so I'm gonna just let some of the pudding out, put a little more bananas in there. Okay, so now I'm gonna put face down Oreo cookies. I put the first layer down, cream facing down, and then I added another layer of pudding and bananas, and now I'm going around the edges, placing cookies around the edges so that the pudding won't run out. Like I'm trying to catch it like this, like that. So you guys missed that part because somehow it stopped filming, and you guys missed a short part. But we're back at it. So as you see, I'm gonna need more cookies. That's why I bought party size. This time I'm gonna just use both Both sides on this last a little bit, so I won't waste any. Because I love Oreos. And guys, this is my new and improved Oreo cookie banana pudding. And yes, it's vegan.